Power like a horse with these ingredients. With these ingredients, you will power like a horse. No age limits. So the reason why I am making this video is based on if A did not work, B must work. But all my videos work, but it depends on individual body system. My own body system and your own system is not the same. I might get a result from a particular remedy and you might not get a result. So what works for me might not work for you. So I am making this video to give you more natural remedies to power like a horse in case if you need more. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the ingredients that will help you to power like a horse. No age limits. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case you are new on this very channel, consider to subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men, because I make videos on men secrets and natural ways to keep men. So that is it. What are the ingredients you need to power like a horse? No age limits and no side effects. The ingredients are: number one is milk. Any milk is milk, but let there be milk. Number two is banana. These are the two ingredients you are going to blend. This is a very simple recipe: banana and milk. Blend banana, and as you are blending the banana, add milk depending the quantity you want to consume, or for future use you can add more banana and more milk so that the quantity can be preserved once you take the one you want to take. So blend banana and milk. After blending, do not boil, do not heat, take it natural. But before taking it, you must add 1 teaspoonful of honey. 1 teaspoonful of honey. This is a very simple recipe, but it works. It will help you to have your good immune system to boost up. 2, it will make you to have a good quality sperm. 3, it will increase your blood flow and also increase the circulation of your body system. 4, it will make you to perform well like a man. And 5, and most especially, if you have a watery sperm, it will terminate watery sperm. Now, how are you going to take it? You are going to take it based in the morning and nights. But if you don't have time to take it in the morning, depending your work, you can take it in the night for complete 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Just be consistent on this. At least it is a natural remedy. It will give you other health benefits, maybe from banana and honey and also milk. You can get their health benefits, but mixing these three together will give you a maximum and efficient result. So I am recommending this in case if you need more manpower and to power like a horse. Just consume these 3 ingredients. Make sure that you do not add too much honey in case of people that have diabetes. 1 teaspoonful after blending milk and banana. Anytime you want to take it, add 1 teaspoonful of honey to be the best you want. So that is it for today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. If you get value, consider to subscribe to be a member of this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. I wish you good luck. Bye for now.